I bought 2 new bags and a wallet, and we are going to unbox everything today because I'm so excited to do this. I've only realized in the past 2 months that I've been needing a new bag. For context, the reason why is because you see this bag right here? I have been using it religiously since 2018. We're almost to 2023 now. That's almost 5 years of usage, consistent usage, and the leather has started to flake off already and it just looks super beat up. I don't plan to get rid of this bag. I actually plan to have this like retouched and put back to its original state if that's even possible. But until I'm able to save up enough money to actually do that, I decided to just go and finally get myself a bag that I can use to replace it with. So these 2 bags are from Charles & Keith. So I don't know if these are actually real. I don't care if they're fake. I don't have money to buy the real thing. But I'm really curious to see if the barcodes actually work. So I got a white one. And I got a black one. The hardware of these look really good. They look really pristine. And they actually do feel like they have some kind of weight to them, so I think that might be a good sign. But this actually comes with the extra hardware on it, so that's what it looks like. And you can use this as the handle, or you can use this together with the actual leather strap as the handle, or just let it like go down like that, hang out like that. Ta-da! Super cute! This is a front zip. It has a zip on the top, which I like. That makes it super secure. And as small as this looks, I feel like this is plenty of space for me. I like to carry a good number of things. And that was like my #1 thing when I was looking for new bags. I wanted to make sure that it had enough space for at least my wallet and my Kindle and some hygiene items. So this one has a slot that you pull the inner strap and hardware to, and that is where you hook the chain into it. Also, I just want to say, if you guys are going to go in the comments and ask me what the names of these bags are, I don't know. I just saw their photos and ordered them. That's it. So this one's a sling bag, and I love sling bags. Next up, the wallet. This one comes in a really nice, cute box. Fun fact, you guys, I actually really don't gravitate towards dark colored items, so I usually don't carry a lot of black bags, black leather on me, because I really like lighter colors. Recently, it's just started to look so luxe for me. This one just looks so sophisticated. I'm 27 years old. It's about time I have something that looks sophisticated in my age. It's a croc leather texture with the Charles & Keith name on it, and then it has a bunch of slots, and you can put your cash up here on top. So I've just completely transferred my wallet into this one. Moment of truth is I want to see if my wallet and my Kindle and my hygiene items fit into this bag. Okay, I can already tell this is just asking for too much from it, which is totally fine because it's still actually really spacey. So what I'm going to have to do with this bag is I'm just going to have to take what is absolutely essential for me. It fits it perfectly. I'm very happy with that. I'm going to be taking this black bag with me because I'm heading out and I'm going to meet up with a couple friends. But yeah, I really am pleasantly surprised with the black bag. I think this might be my favorite out of this one and the white one that I got. So I'm taking this one with me today. But yeah, super cute. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!